So it says manipulate arrays with shift. Pop always removes the last element of an array. What if you want to remove the first? Oh, this is the new one I don't know. That's where shift comes in. It works just like pop, except it removes the first element instead of the last. Okay. So it gives an example there. Then it says used the shift brackets function to remove the first item from my array, assigning the shift off value to removed from my array. So similar to the previous one. Dot shift, and then if you run the test, so it's completed that.